All right, y'all. It's Jordan with Martin Stock Club, founder, creator. So here we are going to look at the analyst side, right? What different analysts are there in the chat? What do they do? What do they cover? And how you can leverage the information and signals they provide to make yourself a more profitable trader and a more knowledgeable trader. So I'm going to start from our analyst section. I'm going to start with this bot. All right, so this is going to give you a watch list every day. This will be ideal for somebody who is able to day trade. What that looks like is somebody who's maybe working from home. You can get an alert on TradingView that a certain stock did a certain move. You can enter the trade and still kind of monitor it, right? Whether it's on your phone, whether it's on another screen, you can still monitor it, but you're not looking at it the whole time. And this comes out every single day with different levels that you can watch for to take those trades. All right, let's go to the top. DC. All right, so DC has experience on the floor as a professional when it comes to trading. He's very knowledgeable because he's worked with professional traders, and so he has that deep experience, a wealth of knowledge. And what he does is he sends out a general overview of big events in the macroeconomic side, which is going to give you a view of what's the major things happening and how are these major things that are going to affect and impact the market and then ultimately you, right? So as we see, we're talking about here how we're into a recession, right? Or going into a recession. What does that mean, right? What can you do about it? How do you know this is happening, right? So he's breaking down these things so that you can have a better understanding of when the market is doing this is because of this, right? If the Fed does this, then the market will do this. Here's how you react, okay? And that's something that everybody should be looking at. Kim breaks down Elliott wave chart patterns. She helps teach people about Elliott waves. And so that's going to be good for somebody who, if you can do it either way, day trading, scalping, swing trading. The biggest thing that I see with people with Elliott wave, especially with Kim teaching futures, is for people who are either going to be swing trading or people who are going to be busy during the day. So they can't day trade, but they can trade futures at night or when they're off work, right? And so again, Elliott wave analysis can be applied to any time frame, right? But what Kim does through the company Black's Academy is teach people how to use it specifically with futures as well, so that they can apply it and get more out of their trade. Right. So this is a channel that you can still go through regardless of the type of trader you are, day trader, scalper, swing. But if you want to get into futures, if you want to get into Elliott wave analysis, which is a way of reading the markets and seeing patterns play out, then this is the channel you should look at. And then our seasonality trades channel is another one for people who are swing trading. All right. So seasonality is going to give you some trade ideas that are going to last, 2 to 3 weeks typically, and have a high chance of success based on past patterns. All right, so again, we see the video here with an expected average profit of about 8%. And we're reading that NVIDIA has moved up from 1031 to 11.7, 20 out of the last 22 years. All right, so it's 20 out of 22 times in a row that this stock has moved up during this time period and finished positive. All right, so this is going to be good for somebody who's either trading with shares or who is swing trading and doing options, but doing options with, 2 months or so expiration. When we come to our options channel, you want to make sure that after you go through everybody and you understand who you want to follow, that you come to the activate options alert so that you can actually get your options alerts, right? And you want to react with the emojis, okay? Let's take it off. Zay is our small account trader. So Zay, one of them. So Zay takes trades that are typically going to cost you under $120, maybe under $150. You can see here some of the stocks that he's been trading lately: Apple, AMD, Amazon, Google. So after those stock splits, those are a lot more easier to purchase with a smaller account. But Zay is who you want to follow if you're trading an account that's under $500, maybe even under $1,000. Definitely, if you're $500 or less, you're going to be looking at what Zay is doing and putting the stocks that he trades on your watch list so that you can practice reviewing those as well. Moody is going to be calling out different types of setup he sees. And these will be day trades, these will be swing trades, both sides, lots of information as well. And he posts his charts to show you what he's looking at not just giving a buy this, sell this, but you can see and understand what he's trading, why he's trading it. So regardless of whether you're day trading, scalping, or swing trading, you should definitely check out the channel, go through it and see what you can take away, what you can learn from it. Here's my channel, right? So I have my channel as well. I started to kind of scale back into typically just calling swings. Um, and so with that, I just like I show with Moody's channel, when I'm calling trades, I typically will post a chart. I did a lot of Dogecoin lately. Um, right, so let me get out of my Dogecoin streak. But yeah, so I do a lot of charts as well, so you guys again can see what I'm trading, why I'm trading it. Right, call out on Snapchat. Right, call out on Snapchat entry. Trim targets, chart to explain what's going on. We have a bull flag. We might continue to go up. There we go. Broke the bull flag, continued it up. All right. So giving alerts along the way so that you're informed of what I'm looking at. And I try to do my best to give you guys what I'm doing as well as why I'm doing it. I scalp, I day trade, and I swing. All right. So my channel will be one to look at for either of those. Okay. Lethal swings, call swings. All right, so lethal swings usually cause swings that have a pretty far out expiration on them. So if you are somebody who is, trying to manage a lot, day job, starting up a business where you don't have a lot of time, then this is another channel that you want to stay tuned to, because his options have a lot of time on them, and so you can just get the alert, kind of set it and forget it type of model, and of course implement a stop loss. He uses 20% on average as his stop loss that he'll automatically set. So that way you can have that going and you can be in those positions and let them ride out. Eva Panda scalps and she day trades. Some swings, but not a lot of swings, right? But Eva does a great job trading a lot of SPX, a lot of SPY, gives a lot of overviews and insight as well as to what she's doing, why she's doing it, what she's looking at, so you can still learn. Right. And she'll also post a watch list every morning for you to know what she's looking at and why she's looking at it. So a great resource to learn. If you're a swing trader, again, somebody who's working a day job, doesn't really have time to look at the charts, look at the screens, probably wouldn't be the channel you're paying attention to. You would probably be looking more at Lethal's channel or my channel or Moody's channel. But if you are able to look at your screen during the day, or if you do want to learn and just get a better understanding of the market, then Eva's channel is where you want to go. Look at the watch list, read it, get the knowledge and see what she's looking at so that you can get that into your skill set and become a better trader. Pastor's our live guy. So he runs live trading every single day, which you can see in the class schedule. We'll go ahead and take you up there real quick. All right, every single day, alternating different times because people have different schedules. And then those links will be in class links, right? So Pastor's live options trading, trades a lot of SPY. That's his main thing. He loves to trade. So if you want to trade SPY, if you have some time in the morning where you can hop on the Zoom call, then Pastor is who you want to make sure you're plugged in with, because he'll be live trading every morning. DD trades. DD, small account builder as well. Trades a lot of small accounts, has a great win rate. Same thing that I love is when you're giving the analysis and we're not just showing you what we're doing, but why we're doing it as well. And that's one of the great things I like about him. Gives you trim levels, gives you stop loss levels when he enters the trades, right? So you're able to kind of set it and forget it. And he's showing you the setup of what he's looking at, why he's trading it, so you can learn to do it for yourself. Quinn scalps, SPY only. So Quinn is one of the traders that he came in as a member. He took note and listened to everything that we were teaching, everything that we were talking about. And he went from his own win rate being about 30 or 40% and being kind of negative with his trading to slowly building up and being a consistently profitable trader, 80% win rate every single week, and making thousands of dollars each week. And I just say that because he started from being a regular member and took advantage of what we were teaching. And now he's calling out his own trades, highly successful, just like the rest of us. But again, starting from there and seeing that growth is awesome. So if you're going to be watching, to scalp and you're looking at getting in and out every 3 minutes, that would be who to follow, would be Quinn. All right. Quinn is in and out 2-3 minutes, trading on a 1 minute chart. So if you're able to have your screen up, all right, then you can follow along with Quinn. And he does send out his setups and try to get them out in advance. You can take advantage of them. And then lastly, profit trades on the option side, day trades, swing trades. Great guy, kills it on a regular and calls out a lot of trades. So even if you miss one, don't worry about chasing, right? Because he does call out a ton of trades on a regular. As we can see from this recap, he called out over 40 trades last week, right? Over 40 trades, 82% win rate, right? So killing the game. We love to see it. Come down to our stocks. Of course, you want to activate your stock alerts here. We have Lauren, who's going to give out swing trade ideas, and different breakdowns of things. So another great way, if you want to learn, come to the channel. All right, here she's talking about earnings because it was earnings week. And if we scroll up, we see some different ideas for some inverse ETFs that can help you make money as the market is going down. All right. So she's going to share a lot of information. And then also she shares swing trade ideas based on sector rotation and what's going on in the general market. Money bags, day trades, and scalps, really scalps, scalping equity positions. So if you're somebody who has the money to sit there and has the time to get in and out of trades really quick, then money bags is who you want to follow. And then we have our two long-term guys, Paxton, who's going to be giving long-term entries as well as some overall fundamental analysis. And then Ox, same thing, right? Long-term entries and overall fundamental analysis for some of the companies that he's entering into so that you can get updates for your long-term account, because we know stocks is not just a long-term game, it's also a short-term. And it's not just a short-term game, it's also a long-term, right? So you're gonna make sure you're making money on both sides and protecting yourself all the way around. So that's the run through of who we have in the chat, what they do, and who you should be looking at if you want to make sure you're getting the most out of the signals and the analysts that we have in the Discord. As always, if you have questions, reach out, put them in the comments, ask in the group. We'll be happy to help.